and welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So there is a concept that I think everybody has heard of. It's location, location, location. And so this is definitely an important thing in real estate, but it's also very important if you are a content creator, whether you are on YouTube like I am here or any other platform. And so today I'm going to be talking about how you can use location to your advantage and how you don't necessarily have to be in a physical location as well, because not everybody can travel and also not everybody lives in a big city. So I'm going to show you some really quick tips that at least I use to actually maximize the various location. And I'm actually going to take it from a different angle and you're going to see what I mean. And so right here I'm exactly at the same location where I was just shooting at, except now this is the different angle that I'm talking about. I am talking about different camera angles for the same location. So you can actually get a unique look right here. And obviously you can do a lot of creative things, but let me show you how this same location looks whenever you're looking at it from different angles. And so here is an angle where the camera is actually pointing up. So this gives a really cool look, especially if you are around a lot of very tall buildings. And so this is another easy angle, which all you have to do is just point your camera downwards. And here is another angle where I'm shooting from above. And this is more dramatic if you're actually on high buildings or maybe on mountains, but it also works here as well. So that's some quick tips on how you could use your existing location and then look at from different angles to where you could get even more locations and maximize wherever you're at. Now, another thing that I do recommend, if you are going to be in a different location, I highly recommend that you shoot a whole bunch of different episodes at once. And so that way you could get the most out of that location and not just for one episode. And so if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.